As we continue our way to Makarska, my thoughts fly to Pledvice Lakes. Pledvice Lakes is a place that leaves you speechless, a reminder of how powerful and breathtaking nature can be. It's a landscape that hasn't changed for centuries, preserved as one of the most beautiful places in Europe untouched by time. Every step feels like walking through a secret hidden world, one that leaves an indelible mark on your soul. The lakes themselves seem to shift colors with the movement of the sun. In the morning, they are pale turquoise, and by afternoon they change color to emerald green and sapphire blue. It's almost impossible to believe such a place exists outside of a dream. And because every dream ends, let's continue our way to Makarska. I was curious what surprises await us in the place of the Adriatic Sea. We are in Makarska Riviera. It's a nice road, a toll road, right? We're gonna have to pay a tax, but it's gonna take us to Makarska.
Exactly, it's more convenient. There is no windy roads. It's nice to drive it. We don't know yet how much the toll is going to be, because when you enter the highway, they give you the ticket, and before you get out, we are going to pay for it. But I must admit, it's very nice. It's easy to drive on it.
And we like Makarska, we like the Adriatic Sea, so let's go swim and check it out with us.
Yeah.
Let's go. To our hotel. Beautiful view from the hotel in Makarska. Let's go to the beach. So first impression of the Makarska Beach in Croatia, Adriatic Sea. The water is beautiful. I just came out of the water and it's perfect, but it's very, very expensive. 2 chairs and an umbrella, it's 40 euros all day, like 40 euros. So it's 16 euros just to have a chair on the beach. But the Adriatic Sea is so nice. It's not that warm, not that cold, so it's beautiful. I enjoy the swim. Oh, it started raining. Start raining. This is our hotel here in Croatia, in Makarska, Biokovka. And we go to Bosnia. Morning from Croatia. We are actually today going to Kravica Lake in Bosnia. And on this journey, on this trip, we're not going just us. Is Mirsada's father and his girlfriend. So we're gonna go have fun in Bosnia on this beautiful rainy day.
Hopefully it's not raining in Bosnia. Let's see.
Because it was raining outside, we went shopping, so we went in the market. And guess what? I bought a lot of water, and I bought the puffs, which was actually Romanian puffs. I bought a lot of that. So here is the market. But I can't tell you the prices because I can tell you the prices in Kona. which I don't know the translation right now. But I know Bosnia is cheaper than Croatia, so we got water, we got chocolates, hops, and we are waiting for the rain to stop. So the prices here, this, they say this chocolate is $3.20, so 3 is less than $1. For this chocolate, I guess this one is in sale, $1.50. It's a convertible market's like a little bit less than $1. Let's see the drinks. What drinks? I don't recognize any of those drinks. So a pina colada is 14 convertible marks. A vodka is 17 convertible marks. A Coca-Cola is less than $3, but it's not that cheap, I guess. We are close to a gas station. It's a store in the middle of nowhere. We stopped just because it was raining. So the beer, $1.80, $1.55 for a little one. We find a good restaurant, Cheveluse, with a good review on Booking. It's raining, so we're gonna go inside, eat our drink. Let's see what we find. Look at this meat, chapka salad, French fries. Bon appetit. Yeah, we had lunch on the river. Yes. And was beautiful place, and we had cappuccino and cake. And
we had something
steaks
also,
and fries and salad.
Yes.
And we have vichinata. And how much did we pay? Sure.
Okay, we had rakias, which they are kind of special and very famous in this area of the Balkans. One is made with vishnya, which is like sour cherry, and the other one is made with the walnuts, but it's delicious. You have to come here and try.
And there was like three marks for
three convertible marks,
which is like $2.
Yeah,
$2.
Around $2.
It wasn't much. It was like probably 50 milliliters, but
yeah. But the prices in Bosnia are very good. So much cheaper than Slovenia or Croatia, and the food is even better.
But so, here you only can pay with cash. What waterfalls are we going to?
We are going to the Kravica Lake, but it was raining when we came here, so we decided to come to this restaurant. And this is actually what kind of view you have it. It's amazing. It's beautiful. If it's a sunny day today, a lot of people would be swimming right there on the beach.
But it was raining, now it stopped, so now we're gonna go see the waterfalls. Come with us and show you the beautiful waterfalls in Bosnia. So when it's not raining, in this Cheveluse restaurant, they're cooking outside too. But it's a pretty view. We recommend this place. Croatia store. It's called Lidl, and I'm going to show you some prices over here, which are way higher than Bosnia and almost the same like Coke Zero, 1.5 euros. Here the prices are in euros, and I'm going to show you the cosmetic prices. What lotion are we looking for?
Yeah.
Media is 365 euros. Pretty big, 365.
Good.
It's still overcast, but it's beautiful. It's not that hot anymore, so I'm going out of the hotel and going in Makarska. So let's go. I show you Makarska. We're gonna go by the Adriatic Sea. This is Makarska on the cloudy, rainy day. People still in the water, still enjoying. Back there, they have so many cats. I can't wait to take you there. So here's the place where you take the boat, and they take you to 2 different islands, and you have lunch on the boat, fish or chicken. And it costs 50 euro per person, but it's fun. I did it last time, so I probably won't do it this time. Again, the same places, but Ball is one of my favorite. It changes the shape, it depends on the current, so if you have a chance to go take it, it's actually the second, third boat, the brown one, the wooden boat. It's cute. They take you to Jelsa, to the little city, and then you stay in Bol 3.5 hours. This is the boat, full day, very cute. I recommend it. Stay with me so I can see more of the Makarska. This is another thing to do. You go there and you pay 10 euros. I would not do that, but people are staying online with their kids to do it. This is a cool vacation vibe. I like this. I like Makarska. Ice cream and shopping for the beach. Everything you need or you don't need. It's the umbrellas. I probably should buy one. The restaurant got flowers and menu outside, so you can just go in. This hotel Valamar looks a little bit cuter than our hotel, so next time if I come here I probably should stay in this one. The train is coming. Okay, it stopped so I can go. I took this train the last time and there was nobody in, and now it's full. Nighttime in Makarska. Today is supposed to rain, so here you have to be prepared for everything, but we're lucky and we stay at the beach all day. So let's go enjoy more of the beach, and I'm gonna show you later on where we're gonna go and what we do. So here they have a massage on the beach, medicinal massage, 40 minutes, 42 euros, and aroma massage for 40 minutes, 45 euros, or 20 minutes, 27 euros, right in front of our hotel. So again, the beach in Makarska is very nice. The water, Adriatic Sea, it's pretty clean. I like it here. It's very nice and warm, but it is insanely busy. And now it's like 4:30, 5 o'clock, and no space to put your towel on the beach. They have jet skis for rent. They have little cars. I'm gonna take one of that tomorrow. I heard it's like 20 euros per hour.
All right. Hi, folks. We finally made it to the Makarska. Here we are. Look at this beautiful view. Makarska is famous for this national park. It's actually this huge big mountain here. It's called Biokovka Mountain, and as you can see, June, July, August, it's a very busy season here. The beach is not so big, but has a lot
You
of
have to
people.
look at the camera so the people can hear.
Yes, but they can hear me. So if you enjoy the crowd, you should come June, July, August, because that's a very busy season. All the families in Europe traveling that time because the kids are out of the school. If you would like more quiet, I suggest to come in September when the weather is still beautiful. It's nice for swimming, but it's not crowded this
What do you think about April and May?
Adriatic Sea kind of belongs more to the cold seas. April and May, it's still kind of chilly for the swimming. If you enjoy colder water, then yes, but the hottest time and the best water for swimming would be June, July, August and September. So all depends what you enjoy the most.
Beautiful sunset in Makarska from the balcony.